I'm gonna make the slime.
I'm gonna make
Yeah,
it
I'm gonna
yellow.
make
I'm gonna make it pastel yellow.
Sacrifice it and what?
Excuse me.
Ahí se tiene que ir a la sala.
Oh, it's blue. Why is it blue?
Who knows, Laura? Who cares? Can I mix it now? The color and the glue?
It's
Alright,
gel.
Auntie Aunt, you wanna get in?
No, really, Marta?
It's not supposed to be gel. It's supposed to be foamy.
Don't matter. Whatever we have works, girl.
Slime is slime.
We ain't these rich white kids. It's okay, we have.
Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of
But
this,
I
not too
understand.
much.
She's like, I get the point. I apologize, Marta.
Technically,
These spoons, guys, why don't we use these spoons? Why don't we have these tablets?
I
No,
know.
I
told
don't- somehow
Laura
we
not
don't
to
have
use
any.
Ew, that's gross.
How did you do that? We're gonna mix all the
Look at mine.
Okay.
Slime. I need more glue.
Yellow and blue make. No.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, time to
Ooh,
mix
look at
a
this
little
color.
bit more.
It looks like yogurt that huele.
I'm trying to make purple. Oh,
Oh, mine too.
Oh yeah. Give me that.
slay. One slay.
And it's gross in the beginning for you. Do not.
Yeah.
How
My
much do I
cereal.
put in? Your cereal.
Look at this.
Oh,
Look.
I'm not,
When-
but
when
I'm
my
gonna
leg
do it.
cooks.
I don't know when-
Hey.
Pass me the detergent.
Mine looks
Oh,
disgusting. Look at this.
It's easy gonna blend out.
Yeah.
You're the fucking hands. Andrew, don't use this.
There's one right there. Oh, tapping his friend. I
I
killed
was like,
that.
ah!
I killed that one. I heard them shooting from.
Oh, mine's turning green. I was hoping for whatever. It's fine. It's a cute color.
Sure.
It's mint.
Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and mix. Even more.
Oh, it's in purple.
Slay. Mine's green. A really nice minty green. It looks like gum. Chiclets.
Looks like, yeah, this one?
Mine.
Guys, I think I had
Oh,
too much of
yes.
something and it's turning into liquid
I'm
and
gonna
it's
touch
melting.
it so bad. I just put it in my mouth.
What
Look at that. You cannot tell me you don't want to eat that.
No, I think you gotta add a little bit of this.
Oh, I haven't added any of that. Ooh, look at my soup. I need to make sure to
Ooh,
get
look
rid
at
of all
hers.
those chunks of that.
Okay.
Marta, I have an activator.
Me?
Why am I always the first one to mess up?
Well,
Marta, can
that's
you
why I
Can
wait.
somebody add some activator?
I wait for everybody else to do their slime and take it out. I just. What the heck? How do you
It gets a long
What are you supposed to put in the lid?
Yeah, Marta. Oh, sorry.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, my finger burns.
Put
Why?
it down.
Oh, because then it's gonna get full of things.
Why does it burn?
Because I have a cut. And you put activator all over it. And it burns
Sorry.
a lot.
I would have put it down there.
Okay. Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and
It's getting
start.
on your legs.
I know.
Okay, there's just like one last.
is
Look at this. Look how cute this looks. Oh, let me go.
Okay. Then
Put it all in there.
This hurts my finger so
some
bad.
blue too.
Stop doing it. Which hand is it on? Do the other hand then.
Okay, time to mix.
Oh, just push it off.
Ah!
What did you do, Maura?
I
thought you
added-
were the one who knew how to make slime.
I know. I mean, it's a pretty green, right?
No.
Kinda. Kind of like throw up, but. Can I pour this in the top on top of that?
Wait, what?
I'm gonna pour it on top of that.
I'm missing something.
No, like this.
It burns so bad. I need to wash my hands, you guys.
I'll open the door for you.
Go wash them
I'm gonna get
outside.
up.
Go wash them
Now.
outside. Go wash them outside.
Tirando demasiado.
Mira, este es el mío, se ve bien bonito.
Oh my
Has
god.
0% activated though. I don't know.
Se me hace que tiene demasiado, Maura.
How much too much what?
I don't know how to make slime.
Yay. Look Look, it's so gross. I don't know why I put my fingers into this.
I'm not touching mine. Mira.
It hurts.
Look.
Mama, saca el can.
Ooh. Can somebody pause the video, please?
No.
Pause it.
Yeah. You clicked the little pause thing.
Pause it with your elbow.
Pause, not the this. Yeah. This is my second attempt. Yes, I washed my hands. Okay. Now for this one,
No slime.
I'm gonna try to do it good.
Mommy thinking slime is cute.
Okay, a little bit of this now.
So fun.
Now I'm just gonna add some of this. I don't know what color it
I
is.
put this on so the plates don't fly away.
Oh.
No, I feel like it needs more activator.
Okay, I need some accent.
What does this need?
Okay, and now I'm gonna.
You need activator?
Yeah.
Here.
So gross.
Time to mix in my slime.
Guys, I don't know what's happening. It's not coming together.
I don't know if I think it's the glue.
Ah, this is so gross. It feels like a melted marshmallow.
Guys, I don't think it's working.
It's not working for any of us.
Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute.
Ew. Why are you thinking something's cute? Guys, what do you think this needs? Guys, what do you think this needs?
I think I need lots more glue.
Is that your rotten cereal?
Looks gross.
How am I supposed to make this feel better? Because it just feels like a ball of disease.
Is it glue? Is it too much glue?
I don't know. What should I add if there's too much glue? Can you give me a napkin? Can you give me another napkin?
I do not know what I'm doing.
Guys, I don't think it's gonna work out.
Can you give me another napkin?
Can you give me? Oh my god, it looks like a picture of Cheetos.
Oh my goodness.
The one cereal.
Y'all already on your second one? Can you give me another napkin?
Mata mara.
There's so many napkins, girl.
It's because they get wet so easily. This is so goopy.
Because if you have hands like that, then you're supposed to wash your hands and not clean them with towel.
I don't know if I
Common
turn this
sense,
into a
please.
lighter red,
I
but
wanna get out.
look at it.
So more
This
activator
is
to
so
use.
gross.
Guys, it's coming together.
What are you gonna call that slime? in your lab?
I'm gonna
Barf.
call this the Cheeto.
Cheeto explosion.
I'm gonna call this Cheetos. I feel like it's missing this. Oh, my spoon went all the way down
I don't like this.
I like this. It's coming into more of a bluish, purplish. instead of green.
there. Okay.
Esos parecen hot Cheetos.
Right?
Hot Cheetos. Why does it look like hot?
Not the hot Cheetos.
Bueno,
Well, you could have said
hot Cheetos con queso.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I would eat them if it wasn't.
Ew.
Yeah, for
That's what it
real.
was before I put it on the plate.
Give me that.
Like this? This? Why?
You put it in this.
feel like it's time to get it into a plate now.
There you go. I have more.
Where I can mix it with my bare hands.
Do not touch my
Oh!
hand. That's nasty, Marta. Why would you do that?
Then I want to feel some
No.
Cheetos.
That's literal throw up.
This is so gross. I feel like I'm touching
I should touch it again?
cheese.
Mix it.
Okay. I will try to make
Can I
it
have some
sound
napkins?
the
My
best
first
way.
time getting napkins. Oh, I need more, but okay. Oh no!
Okay, well.
Okay.
This is supposed to be slime now.
It's supposed to be this slime is supposed to turn out good.
Marta, what are you doing? Are you... Give me it. Give me it.
Alright, I feel like I should move this around way more.
Guys, I'm putting napkins around everything. Okay.
I think I did something wrong.
Mine's coming along. Mine's coming
I turned
along.
it into a different color.
Most slimes are a mess. And she's the one who's supposed to know how to make slime.
But look, look, it looks so green, right?
Why is so much
Just-
like stuff coming out of it?
I think it's something.
This is just have to play with it. Mine doesn't feel gross. It's just my hand.
Can you use your spoon, Tamara?
Why?
Just to mix this. Look.
I don't know how I'm feeling about this slime, guys, but I think this is turning out.
I don't know if I should throw this. I don't want to throw it away.
This looks like throw up. Ew, I don't know why I'm touching throw up.
Make her cry. I'll say to that.
Oh, evil like mine.
We should feed it to Mimi. Where even is Mimi?
She ran away.
Okay.
Hey, who took off the thing? It was on their side. They didn't want to blow away.
Oh my lord.
What?
Yeah, the gel. It was on the plate that we
For real. I don't know how to stop the video, guys. I want to stop the video already. Help me. Somebody help me. I'm in a mess, guys.
Marta, why do you always make messes?
I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick.
Mine's coming along. Look at this. So cute.
Meanwhile, look at this blotch.
Ooh, that looks good.
Oh, look at that. It's so cute.
Aw. My thing did work. My mixture.
You know what it looks like? It looks like the Hotel Transylvania food that I was talking to Mavis and then she cried. Yeah. You get me so well.
That's the first thing I thought of.
That's the first thing I thought of. Look.
It's the end of the video.